How y'all doing this fine morning? This is Lucky Dipper back with another video. Let me get it. It's chewing tobacco. It is Levi Garrett, and I've had it for a little bit and wanted to do a video on it. Just procrastination. Finally, I'm here. So we're going to do a review on it. Let me take this out. It ain't that moist. It's pretty tough. I'm just gonna take a little pinch. All of the chewing tobacco is gonna taste like molasses. This is just it. Yeah, it's pretty tough. And the thing is about Levi Garrett, it don't have a seal. You can tell right here. You can't seal it back. Red Man you can seal back and it keeps it moist, but this it don't. So I just fold it down, try to keep it moist as possible. But it ain't that bad. It's just molasses, just like all the other ones. It's just tougher. It ain't wet like the other chewing tobacco. But I want to tell y'all that I'll have some more videos out. I'm gonna go get some more stuff to do videos on, different kind of dip. And if y'all want me to do a video on a certain kind of dip, just put it in my messages and let me know, and I'll do it. Anything y'all want. But that's pretty much it for this video. It's just a Levi Garrett. Pretty tough. But y'all just let me know and I'll do anything. Thank y'all for watching.